Now student, today we are going to see the question answers of the magic porridge pot. The question answers are on the page number 150. So let's see the question answer. See what is here? Reading is fun. So see here. Where did Tara go one day? Where did Tara go one day? She went to the forest. She went to the forest. Okay. Next. What did the old woman give Tara? What did old woman give Tara? The old woman gave Tara the magic pot. Porridge pot. Okay. The next question is there. What did the magic pot cook? What it was cooking? It was cooking porridge. It was cooking porridge. Next. Who said do not cook pot? Who said do not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. Because what was the order to stop the porridge? Stop pot, stop. But Tara's mother was giving the wrong order, do not cook pot. So this order was given by Tara's mother. So who said do not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. Okay. Then next is there. Why was there so much porridge on the road? Why was there too much porridge? Because Tara's mother gave wrong order. Because Tara's mother gave wrong order. Okay. Now next is there. Let's talk. Now we are going to talk now. See here. What do you eat for your breakfast? Now we are going to talk here. So what do you eat for the breakfast? Maybe poha, upma, milk. Like these things you eat for the breakfast. Next question. Would you like to eat wheat porridge? आपको wheat porridge खाना पसंद है क्या? Yes, I would like to eat the wheat porridge. If you don't like, say no, I don't like to eat wheat porridge. Next question is there. Have you seen any magic tale about it? Now, if you have seen any magic, जादू कोई भी आपने देखा होगा, तो आपको क्या करना है? ये आपको आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. व्हाट डू यू कॉल मैजिक इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज? हम क्या बोलते हैं मैजिक को इंग्लिश में, मराठी में? सो वी कॉल इट जादू. नाउ देयर आर सम वर्ड्स, सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस वर्ड्स. से अलाउड, यू हैव टू से इट लाउडली. Pot, repeat after me. Pot, dot, pot, hot, pot, bot, tot, fought, cook, hook, book, took, bun, sun, moon, spoon. These are the rhyming words. Now this is your homework. These words you have to read twice, means 2 times you have to read it and 1 time you have to write it in your notebook. So rhyming words means what? Rhyming words means which words are same in spelling, little bit difference is there and the sound is the same, that those words are called rhyming words. So you have to read these words. Next, now let's write. We are going to now write here. Let's write. Fill in the blanks with a and or the. So we are going to use these articles a and the. When do we use a? When there is consonant sound. Before this we have seen the about articles. So when do we use a? When that is consonant sound. And when do we use and? So when there is vowel sound. Vowel, which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. If these are there, we have to use and. If there is consonant sound, means B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X. If there is this word sound, so we have to use A. And when to use the? When there is particular thing, एक ही होता है, उसको the यूज कर देते हैं. So let's see, जो स्पेशल रहता है उसके लिए हम the यूज करते हैं. See here, once there was dash beautiful garden. There was a beautiful garden. The garden had dash apple tree, dash orange tree and dash guava tree. Now see here, the garden had vowel sound and apple tree orange vowel sound and orange tree and a guava tree. Okay. Next, in the garden lived a big giant. Giant पता है क्या? राक्षस को giant बोलते हैं. The giant did not like children to play in the garden. Okay, then the giant used to eat a fruit every day from the garden, but he did not share these with the children. So his garden dried up. तो जो फ्रूट्स रहते थे पेड़ के, वो बच्चों के साथ शेयर नहीं करता था, और बच्चे जो थे वो गार्डन में खेलते थे, तो उसको जायंट को अच्छा नहीं लगता था, और जो ये फ्रूट्स थे वो रोज एक फ्रूट खाता था, और उसको वो फ्रूट्स वो चिल्ड्रन के साथ शेयर नहीं करता था. उसकी वजह से गार्डन क्या हुआ? ड्राइड अप. देखो ड्राइड हो गया, पत्तियां झड़ गई झाड़ की सभी पेड़ की. सो नेक्स्ट पेज, let's go to next page. Now here are word endings. See here, look at the letters given below and make words starting with them. Now the letters are given here. You can see here K, P, J, T, M. These letters are here and you have to make the words from these given letters. K, from the K you can make yourself also. Kids, kind, you can say then kite. Okay. Then P, people, person, pet. Okay. Then J, jeep, joke, joker, Next, table, temple, tiger. Next is ant, man, mouse, monkey. Okay. In this way, you can make the words with the help of these letters. Now, next is there. Now you can see here. Let's eat. Your mother makes delicious porridge. Would you also like to learn how to make it? So now it's time to make your recipe. Now you are going to make the porridge here. See here. Now your mother makes very nice food, delicious, tasty foods. So your mother makes delicious porridge. Now you are going to make the porridge at your home. See here, you can see here. Ask your mother or an older person to help you. Whoever is there, maybe your aunt is there, mother is there, grandmother is there. So ask her, and whatever things needed are here: milk, porridge or sugar. These three things you need it. So what we will do? Take hot milk and cooked porridge. Cooked porridge means like rava or sevaiya. We can add it and add sugar and eat it. So ho gaya porridge. In this way you are going to make the porridge at your home. Now you are going to tell the recipe of porridge in your language to your parents. Now next page, page number 153. See here, word building. Now we are going to learn the words. Look at the letters given below and make words starting with them. Now see here, sorry, where are we? Okay, see here, it is your friend's birthday. For decoration in her party, you are presenting a bunch of balloons to her. These balloons are your friendship balloons. Choose a name for each from the box and color them. Now, your friend's birthday is there and you are going to give her gift a bunch of balloons. So, there are some adjectives are there. How is your friend? She is caring. She is sharing. वो शेयर करती है things. She shares her things with you. Kind. वो बहुत दयालु है. Friendly. आपके साथ उसका बर्ताव कैसा है? Friendly है. Helpful उसका नेचर है. Forgiving. आपको जब भी आपके साथ कुछ हो जाता है झगड़ा तो आपको भूल भी देती है बाद में. और truthful. वो lie नहीं करती कभी भी. तो these are her qualities. Your friend's qualities are these. So you are going to write each quality. You are going to color each balloon, and you are going to write each quality in each balloon. Now caring. You will do the color and write here caring. In this way, there are 7 balloons and 7 adjectives. So you are going to write in each balloon. Now, next is there loving grandfather. See here. Now you can see in the picture there is a boy and a girl, and are these unities on grandparents. So in this story we are going to see that their grandparent father is there and he sprained his arm. So that's why he is not going out of walk also and to meet his friends also. So how we will take him out? Like this, these both children are थिंकिंग, वो उसके लिए प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि हम उन्हें बाहर कैसे निकालें। वो सो ही रहे हैं घर में ही और उनको वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो हम उन्हें कैसा बाहर निकाल देंगे, ऐसी कुछ ये स्टोरी है। सो लविंग ग्रैंडफादर मीन्स बहुत जो आपको प्यार करते हैं उनको लविंग कहते हैं, लवली। सो दिस स्टोरी इज देयर। लेट्स सी लविंग ग्रैंडफादर। Ever since Grandpa fell down and sprained his arm, he has changed. Now this girl is saying to her brother that, have you seen this? Our Grandpa fell down and his arm is sprained. क्या हुआ है? Sprained हुआ है, तभी से हमने grandfather है वो क्या हुए हैं? कुछ बदले से लग रहे हैं। He has become very quiet. He does not even speak to us. Now he is too quiet. He doesn't speak also to us also. Like this boy is telling to her, his sister. He keeps sleeping the whole day. He is very sad. Now you can see the hand is sprained here. See, and he from that when he fell down from that day, he only sleeps and he doesn't talk with anyone, and he is feeling very sad, not feeling well. So he does not even go out, and from that day he doesn't go out. So they thought we should take him out, so he will feel good. Grandpa loved to go for walks. He loved to do his exercise. This girl is saying, Grandpa, what does he like? He likes to walk and do the exercise. We must try to make him go for a walk with us and do some exercise in the park. So what we will do? We will go in the garden and we will take our grandfather with us. So he will do his exercise and he will feel happy. So now here you can see grandfather is with the children. I can see grandpa's friends. Let us talk to them. Now this girl said, see here the grandpa's friends are sitting. Let's talk with them. Grandpa, your friends, are they here? Talk to them while we play. They have missed you. Means these children are saying that, Grandpa, your friends are here. So you talk with them, and we will, while that time, we will play here in the garden. Now see here, you can see the grandpa is feeling very happy. So grandpa said to the children, they have made the plan to take out the grandpa from the home. So thank you my children for taking me out in the fresh air. It's been a long time I have been with my friends on a walk. Now this grandpa is feeling happy. He was not feeling happy, he was feeling sad. So these both the children took him out and they made their friends. So grandpa felt very happy and he said, thank you my grandchildren. In this way, this story is there. Some questions are there regarding this story. Let's read. Read the picture story aloud. Now, the story you have to read it. Reading is fun. Take the right answer. Now we have seen the story, so you have to take the right answer. Grandfather sprained his what? Leg? No. Back? No. Arm? Yes. Next is there. Grandfather loved. What does he love? Eating? No. Walking? Yes. And sleeping. So walking he loves. Next, grandfather missed his food? No. Books? No. Exercise? Yes. Now, next is here. Before grandfather failed and after he failed. How was he before falling? So, grandfather used to go for walks. Which things he liked? He used to do. Grandfather used to talk. Grandfather made many friends. He was like this way. But now he fell down. Now now he sleeps. What does he do? He sleeps. वो क्या कर जाते थे वॉक के लिए, पर अभी वो सैड है तो स्लीप घर के ही अंदर पड़े रहते हैं. Now he is sad. Now he does not go for walk. In this way we have to complete it.